morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday and the rain has arrived. Mr. Bob Harlan was correct. It's supposed to be kind of soggy today. That's okay. The rain doesn't hurt anybody. All right, enough Al Roker. Last night, I've been thinking about this for about 12 hours. How to say this. I'll just start normally. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Norway, where I prepared rasballe, which are Norwegian potato dumplings. All right. Now, the recipe that I have actually is the dumplings, the suggested smoked sausage, and the rutabaga and carrot mash, all in one. Followed the recipe to the letter. I couldn't do anything about the smoked sausage. Beautiful Johnsonville, if you're wondering. Excellent. Rob and I both really enjoyed it. It's just a straight smoked sausage. I'm going to go to the rutabaga carrot mash. Looked nothing like the picture and bland. I thought I had those vegetables soft to mash. I even broke out the hand mixer. Yeah. Now, the dumplings. If you've seen the picture, which you just saw, those aren't dumplings. They were dumplings. If you watch last night's slideshow, they were dumplings when they went into the pot, into the Dutch oven. They came out like boiled hash browns. I don't know. I was generous and gave the recipe a 3 stars. That's the lowest score I have given in this 6 months. The dumplings, even though I did serve them, I did eat them, or eat it, bland. They tasted like flour. And I actually used oat flour. I could not find in the Yuba Sutter area the barley flour, and I researched. So, and one of the substitutes, approved substitutes, was oat flour. It paste. If you look at the Norwegian herb and spice profile, which I have, and I've shared it, this is not going to be repeatable. I will not make it again. If you can make it and make the dumplings work, please share with the community the photos. Please. But I don't recommend it. Not at all. All right. Tonight, the culinary expedition continues to Moldova. It's funny, Robin and I, we had date night last night. And we were talking about Moldova. It's like the only time we've ever heard of Moldova was 2 TV shows. Or actually, one was Red, the movie, and the other one was a TV show. It's the only time we've ever heard of Moldova. I'm attempting something that's a ball shape again. I'm not even attempting the Moldovan language. It looks French, but it's not. It's Moldovan meatballs with mashed potatoes, and and I'm doing the recommended. They don't call it a gravy; they call it a sauce. It is a mushroom sauce. But both are very basics. The meatballs, I am going to, per the herb and spice blend, or per the herb and spice profile, I'm kicking up the meatballs a little bit with some spices. But it's a real basic recipe. I get to play with potatoes again today. Yeah, it's potato week. Yeah. But hey, it's mashed potatoes. I can do mashed potatoes all day long. All right, so let's get to it. All right, the meatballs consist of like 2/3 ground beef and 1/3 ground pork. Typical meatballs, breadcrumbs, egg for a binder. These have garlic. I'll be using half of this onion or a good portion of this onion diced in the meatballs. Of course, kosher salt, black pepper. I'm going to be adding smoked paprika, ground thyme, and ground coriander. The mashed potatoes are just your typical mashed potatoes. A couple of russets, some butter, some salt and pepper, and I like to use heavy whipping cream. Now for the mushroom sauce, obviously you have mushrooms. They prefer sour cream. Now you can use heavy cream. I'm hoping I have enough sour cream. Some beef broth, some flour for thickening. Yeah, and it actually has onion and garlic and some other goodies that are shared within the meatballs, and parsley for garnish. I apologize for the long rant about the Norwegian dish. It's frustrating. It's the first real failure in a dish I've had in this entire expedition. So it's a little frustrating when you think you're doing things perfectly, but there are many factors to the dumplings. Robert and I discussed it at length last night. All right. One of the projects I've been working on is this close. I just have some final details. Robin viewed it last night after dinner, and she really liked it. I guess I just got just a few little details to finish up, and then I will release it, reveal it. I'm excited, and there's some fun stories that kind of go behind that. All right, so on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.